Imagine creating high-quality videos without filming anything yourself, just by writing a few smart prompts using AI tools like ChatGPT and Grok AI. Right now, creators in the United States are using AI to generate scripts, visuals, and full videos faster than ever before, and most people still don't know how. The process is simple. ChatGPT helps you create powerful prompts and scripts, and Grok AI turns those prompts into realistic, engaging videos automatically. First, you use ChatGPT to write clear and detailed prompts, including character, scene, lighting, and camera style, so the AI understands exactly what you want. Then, you take that prompt and input it into Grok AI, where it transforms your words into video scenes with realistic visuals and cinematic motion. This method saves time, reduces cost, and allows anyone to create professional content without expensive equipment, studios, or large production teams. If you learn this skill now, you can build a content business, grow on YouTube, and stay ahead in a world where AI is changing everything. The future of content creation is already here, and the real question is, will you use AI to create or watch others take the opportunity?